morning everyone, and today we are going to do the first impression of the PH glosses that came a while ago. I never tried these kind of glosses. If you have tried, please do comment. Here it came with two different glosses. The cool thing about it is, as you can see, it is what is it, like a blue and orange in the tube, but once you wear them it is going to change a little bit. So when you apply, the color is going to apply like a clear gloss, but after few minutes, based on your pH level and your skin tone, it is going to start changing into a different color. So we have two shades here. One is the perfect pink, which is in the blue tube. The other one is the custom coral, which is in the orange tube. So what it does is, this one is going to turn into a plum pink, and this one is going to turn into a coral pink. So these glosses are meant to be worn on its own. If you are going to wear it on top of a lip sense, they are not going to change color. So it is most for people who like to wear the gloss on its own. So it is nothing wrong to wear on top of a lip sense color, but it's going to stay as a glossy gloss if you wear on top of a color. That time you will not notice the tint at all. So let's go ahead and start. As I said, I will apply and I'll leave it for what is it, like at least 10 minutes for it to reach the full saturation level. That way you can see how the color looks on me, but it may look completely different on you. Go ahead and do the perfect pink first. As I mentioned, this is going to turn into a subtle pink. So I don't have any what's it, like color on my lips. So you can see it's nice and glossy now. Let's see how the color is going to turn out. I'm going to take a picture now, and I will take another one in after 10 minutes and show you guys both the looks. So let's wait for that. So this is after 10 minutes. You can see nowhere you will guess the color from the tube. Here it is like a full what is it, like a blue tinted one, whereas it turned into a really plum matte lip color as a gloss. So that's a cool way. Like, I mean, if you have a teen or someone who likes to experiment these kind of things, you can do, and it's going to leave a light bit of tint, so that way you don't even need a lip sense color or anything. That way the days you don't you can just use the gloss and have a slight tint of color to it. So this is the first shade. So this is the perfect pink, which is going to turn into a plum pink shade, and also these are our shadows and sizes. Usually the gloss is little bit bigger. Let me show the comparison. So here you can see this is the original size gloss, and here is the new PH glosses. It's a little bit smaller, like when compared to the original one, and this is for our shadows and size, and you can grab them individually or as a set. So this is a gloss, so it's not going to be all day wear anytime, but it was mentioned that it will leave a slight tint of shade on your lips even if the glossy feel wears it off, and you can top it anytime throughout the day if you want to have a nice glossy lips. And I'm going to remove it with the makeup remover wipe. That way I don't have any color left before I go ahead and do the other one. It's a nice stocking stuffer if you're looking for kids or teens. It's going to act as a lip balm and moisturize them at the same time. It's fun to see how the color changes on them. Also, it's gluten, parabens free, and there is no animal byproducts in our products, and our products are completely made in the USA, and that way the quality is really nice for even to give to the kids. So here is the next one, which is the custom coral. So here it's going to be turn into a coral pink shade here. So that's the one I'm going to do. As I mentioned, I cleaned my lips well. I feel they immediately start turning the color. As you can see, the moment it applies what is like a little white, but once it touches the lips, it immediately start turning into color. Like I'm trying to capture a picture of just staying at gloss, but for me and all, it immediately turns into it. So let's I'm going to wait again for another 10 minutes for you to show the actual shade how it turns to, and then let me show the final one. Here I am back after 10 minutes. You can see this is really pretty pink actually. To me it doesn't show that much corally, it's more of a pink, whereas that one is more of a purpley tint. The blue had a purple tint to it, whereas this is more of a pink tint, very soft pink gloss. So this would be like a really nice go-to if you are like perfectly for winter, if you don't want to have much color and you need to just get ready for a Zoom call or even to meet friends. This is a really nice way, like you can apply, and by the time you reach or you go to the meeting, you will have a nice tint of lip color, and at the same time it's not going to take a lot of time. I think this would be perfect for my 5-minute get ready videos also. So that's the one for today. As I mentioned, whatever color I show, it is completely going to be little different on you, because everybody's pH is little different. So it's more of a like a chemical reaction how the color is going to turn into, but it's fun to see how it is. And so it comes with this white velvet bag kind of, and it is 2 glosses in that collection, and you can always get them separately. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.